Cutting-edge cordless cleaning tech meets a portable pressurized power cleaning system in the 24-volt cordless power cleaner by Sunjoe. Perfect anywhere power's at a premium, it's ideal to take a quick rinse on the road or a mini car wash wherever your travels take you. Simply insert the battery, tap into a water source, and go. Sunjoe's powered by Ion Plus, the exclusive eco-friendly 24-volt lithium-ion battery system for up to 12 minutes of continuous rechargeable runtime. No more gas, fumes, fuss, or tangled extension cords, just the ultimate in cordless convenience. Equipped with a 20-foot siphon hose, Sunjoe draws water from any freshwater source like a bucket, pool, pond, or directly from the spigot. Quickly clean off the car and RV. Pressure wash the porch and patio. The included 5-in-1 nozzle offers 5 selectable spray patterns. Switch from 0-degree powerful pinpoint jet to 40-degree fan spray with just a twist of the wrist. Providing up to 5 times more cleaning power than a conventional garden hose, Sunjoe blasts through mud and caked-on messes with up to 350 pounds per square inch max, while the 0.6 gallons per minute max flow quickly rinses away dirt and debris. And for those really stubborn stains in tight spaces like wheel wells and trim, the included utility bristle brush easily breaks down grease, grime, oil, and mud without damaging the paint, trim, and glass. Weighing less than 7 pounds, Sunjoe's sleek, lightweight design makes it perfectly portable camping companion, storing easily in the trunk of your RV, boat, or car. And every Sunjoe cordless power cleaner is backed by a complete 2-year warranty for worry-free, reliable performance you can count on. So tap into the unbeatable cleaning power that fits in the palm of your hand and go with Joe. 24V PP350 LTE from Sunjoe. Get equipped.